Hey guys, my name's Shawn. I'm with Eustis Roofing. I'm out here on a job out in Bushnell that we just finished at the end of last week. We've got a beautiful day today, not a cloud in the sky. Our guys were able to keep this homeowner dry the entire time we were tearing off during the rain last week. And I just wanted to go over a few things that our guys were able to do to take care of this homeowner. So if you see right here, this point right here is going to be the most problem that the homeowner is going to have that's leaking. So what we did is we run our flashing long like this to be able to get the water away from that point. So when you look at it, there's no way water can get back up in there. And here's a few more corners that I want to show you. So here's what the chimney looks like. So it looks real nice. All new flashing. We cut the brick and was able to put that in there and then put one line of caulking over it to get it good. So right here, the water runs into the back of the chimney, but what we did is we raised up this back left section. And then we put this corner on it here to get the water out away from that corner there, which would cause where most roofers wouldn't pay attention to, and that would cause a leak there. So this chimney is a little different because it is on two different levels of roof. So if we come down here, this roof right here used to just go right into the back of the chimney. So what we did is we had our guys go ahead and lift that up so that way it pushes the water around the side of the chimney. We did all new flashing all the way up and over with the kickouts on the bottom on each side. So we brought our flashing down, and again, here's another corner, so it keeps the water out away from that problem area. So it keeps the water, it kicks it out away from the flashing, make sure there's no water that can ever leak in right there. Here's another view from this side of the chimney. And then again, here's the corner where we bring it down so that way this will never leak right here in this corner. And as you can see, there's no way water can get in there because it'll run this way, it won't get in there. And then we put these kickouts down here on the end to get the water out away from the wall. And that's just to make sure that the homeowner never has any problems out of this chimney. This used to be it was 2 layers on this roof when we did it. The original roofer didn't do it the right way, and the second roofer just added on to the mistakes of the first. So guys, if you need any roofing needs, don't hesitate to give us a call. Here at Eustis Roofing, we're here for whatever it takes to get you taken care of. Thanks. Have a great day.